Aha, the monsoon is here and it's the perfect time for hot kochuris. And if these golden flaky kochuris are stuffed with spiced fish filling, its flavor will transport you to the streets of Kolkata. Join us as we show you how you can easily make this Bengali street food gem. For making the spicy fish filling, take cleaned pieces of katla fish. Add the fish pieces to the kadhai filled with water so that we can cook it to debone it. To this, add a bit of salt and turmeric powder to remove the fishy smell. Then cover and boil the fish for 10 minutes to completely cook the fish pieces. Cool the fish and debone it. Chop the fats and skin of the fish, which is rich in fish oil, and add to your deboned fish. Next, for making the stuffing, heat some refined oil in a pan. Add a bay leaf and then add chopped onions to create a good base for the stuffing. Fry the onions until they are golden brown and then for the heat add some chopped chilies. Then add ginger paste and garlic paste and fry till the raw smell disappears. Next, add chopped tomatoes and the deboned fish. Fry them together until the tomatoes start to sweat, and then for the dash of spices, add turmeric powder, spicy chili powder and roasted cumin powder. Next, fry the spices with the tomatoes on low to medium heat until most of the moisture in the stuffing is cooked off and it develops its signature flavor. Add salt as per your preference and stir it in. Finally, remove from the flame and add chopped coriander leaves to this and stir in to let it cook from the residual heat. Your spicy fish stuffing is ready. Now for the kochuri dough, in a dry vessel, take some refined flour. Make a cavity in the flour like this and add salt for the flavor, a bit of sugar to give the kochuri the golden color, and ghee for shortening for the flaky texture. Mix these ingredients evenly with the flour and press the flour with your fingers and check it if it clumps like this. If it does, then add some lukewarm water and make a tight dough that springs back like this when pressed. To make the dough easy to handle, cover and let it rest for 20 minutes. Once rested, portion out the doughs into small dough balls which are approximately 25 grams. Rub the portions in between your hands to make a uniform dough ball. Now, take the dough balls and flatten their sides like this until they resemble a small bowl. Then, add a teaspoon of our spicy fish stuffing. Press the stuffing to the middle with your thumb like this and carefully pinch and close the dough as shown. Then roll it gently in between your hands to securely seal the stuffing in the dough. Before rolling the kochuri, flatten the stuffed dough ball and lightly dust it with some refined flour. Now, using a rolling pin, gently roll it into a circular shape. It is crucial not to apply excessive pressure at this point, or else the stuffing will leak. Keep the rolled out kochuris aside for frying. To deep fry, drop your puris one at a time in a kadhai with hot refined oil. Splatter hot oil over the top and watch as they swell up gorgeously. Flip it over once and fry till golden brown over medium to high heat. And finally, drain excess oil in the kadhai and take them off on a plate lined with paper towels. Just look at them, golden, crispy and ready to steal the show at your table. Serve them hot with some spicy dum aloo and watch them disappear. If you love this recipe, please like and share, and until next time, happy cooking!